Welcome to the top best. The Best Outdoor Edge Blades 3.5 is probably one of the most versatile and reliable knives you can add to your outdoor gear collection, boasting a robust construction and a razor-sharp edge designed to tackle a wide range of tasks from field dressing game to preparing camp meals with unparalleled efficiency and precision, making it an indispensable tool for any serious outdoorsman or survival enthusiast. Number 5. Outdoor Edge 3.5 RazorLite EDC Knife. Introducing the RazorLite EDC. It features razor-sharp, replaceable blades that make switching to a fresh edge quick and effortless. This knife is ideal for everyday tasks and perfect for processing game in the field. Our replacement blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they cut with ease and maintain their sharpness. They are precisely heat-treated for excellent edge retention. Each knife includes 6 blades, with more available separately. The blade holder is built from strong 420J2 stainless steel with a black oxide coating. This provides the toughness you need with the precision you desire. It has a strong yet lightweight frame with a non-slip grip for secure handling. A sturdy pocket clip ensures it's always within reach when you need it. We stand by the durability of our cutting tools. If you ever have an issue with your knife, we are committed to providing prompt and effective service and replacement. What we like. This knife is designed for ultimate convenience with its razor-sharp replaceable blades. You can switch out a dull blade in seconds, ensuring you always have a sharp edge for any task. If you're a hunter who needs to field dress game quickly or someone who values effortless blade replacement for everyday tasks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The blades are surgically sharp and stay that way far longer than expected. Being able to swap in a fresh razor-sharp blade in seconds is a game changer. The grip is solid and comfortable, even during long processing sessions. The blades lock in securely and feel very sturdy once installed, there's no looseness or flex. Number 4. Astercook 13-piece stainless steel knife set. Introducing the Astercook 13-piece kitchen knife set, your ultimate culinary companion. This comprehensive collection is designed to handle all your cooking needs with precision and ease. This set includes a wide variety of knives, from a chef knife to a paring knife, along with kitchen shears and blade guards. Whatever the task, there's a perfect tool for it. Our knives feature a healthy anti-rust coating that protects against oxidation and ensures they are dishwasher safe. The non-stick surface keeps the blades clean throughout the day. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe storage in your cupboards. They are also easy to transport, making them ideal for camping trips or your RV kitchen. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This knife set is perfect for both experienced chefs and beginners. It's an excellent holiday present for anyone who loves to cook. We stand by the quality of our product with rigorous inspections and a lifetime warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with every purchase, knowing you're covered. What we like. This comprehensive set offers a wide array of knives for every kitchen need, all featuring a healthy anti-rust coating. They are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you're setting up a new kitchen, upgrading your current set, or looking for a practical and impressive holiday gift, this collection is an excellent option. What people say. This knife is extremely sharp and holds an edge very well. The blade is made of high-quality steel and is very durable. The handle is ergonomic and provides a comfortable grip. Number 3. Outdoor Edge RazorLite Folding Hunting Knife. Experience razor-sharp cutting performance with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. Field dressing is a breeze as these blades replace in seconds, ensuring you never miss a beat. Our bright orange handle is designed for a secure, non-slip grip, even in wet conditions. This ensures safe and confident handling every time you use it. This knife folds down to a slim, pocket-sized tool. It's the ideal choice for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts who value dependability without the extra bulk. Keep your knife easily accessible and protected with the included rugged camo nylon sheath. It attaches securely to your belt or pack for convenience on the go. We design our cutting tools to stand the test of time. If you ever experience any issues, we are committed to providing prompt and effective service and replacement. What we like. This folding knife prioritizes safety and portability with its lockback safety feature and tough, slip-resistant grip. The replaceable blades mean you're always ready for action without needing to sharpen. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or hunter who needs a dependable, compact, and safe knife that's easy to carry and always sharp, this is the ideal companion. What people say. The interchangeable blade makes this knife even better. No need for sharpeners, just switch the blade out for a new one. Comes with extra blades as well. Blades change easily and are very sharp. It can do anything and never sharpen a knife blade again. Great knife. Number 2. Outdoor Edge Onyx EDC Folding Pocket Knife. Introducing the Onyx EDC, a versatile folding pocket knife designed for your everyday carry needs. It's built for reliability and convenience, no matter where you go. Featuring an innovative replaceable blade system, you can switch out blades in seconds. This ensures you always have a razor-sharp edge ready for any task. Crafted with quality materials, this knife is made to endure the demands of the outdoors and your daily work. Its durable construction promises long-lasting performance. The ergonomic handle is designed for a comfortable and secure grip. This reduces hand fatigue, allowing for extended use without discomfort. Its 3.5-inch drop-point blade is perfect for a wide range of cutting tasks. It's a dependable tool for hunting, camping, or general everyday use. With a secure lockback design, the blade stays firmly in place during use. This provides peace of mind and helps prevent accidental closures. Equipped with a convenient pocket clip, it's easy to carry safely wherever you go. You can be sure it's always within reach when you need it. What we like. This everyday carry knife boasts a quick-change replaceable blade system for constant sharpness and a secure lockback safety mechanism. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during prolonged use. If you need a reliable, sharp, and safe knife for daily tasks, whether at work or during outdoor adventures, this model offers exceptional performance and convenience. What people say. The blade is razor sharp right out of the box. It holds an edge incredibly well, even after heavy use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Number 1. Orange Ninja Mini Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Orange Ninja Mini Knife Sharpener, your ultimate kitchen companion. It offers both coarse and fine sharpening, ensuring every knife in your collection is perfectly honed for culinary excellence. This compact sharpener is designed for life on the move, fitting easily into your pocket or kitchen drawer. It's not just a sharpener, it also includes a convenient bottle opener for added utility. Achieve professional results with ease. Its ergonomic design provides a secure grip and consistent angle, making it simple for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs to use. From heavy-duty butcher knives to delicate ceramic blades, this manual sharpener delivers a professional edge every time. Say goodbye to dull blades and hello to effortless cutting. Crafted with robust materials, this sharpener is built for durability. It's a reliable tool designed to withstand the rigors of daily use in any busy kitchen environment. What we like. This compact sharpener provides both coarse and fine sharpening options for all your knives, ensuring they are always in top condition. Its portable design and ease of use make it perfect for any kitchen or outdoor trip. If you hate dealing with dull blades and want a simple, effective way to maintain a professional edge on all your knives, this tool is a must-have. What people say. The combination of coarse and fine edges cuts through dull kitchen knives fast, restoring a crisp edge without frustration. It's compact, easy to grip, and feels solid despite its small size. It lives on the side of my toolbox now thanks to a handy magnet. And it will indeed pop the top on some cold frosty snacks. This works better than expected, hones a nice edge on my hinkles very quickly and better than using my steel. Sticks to the side of the fridge next to my cutting boards and knife block. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.